Alrighty guys, good morning. It's fixing to be daylight here, so I'm gonna hop in the layout blind real quick. But I just wanted to make a quick intro. I'm gonna try to get some ducks here. Got a little farm pond. I ain't hunted all year, so hopefully it's good. I haven't had time to scout, so we're just testing out here, seeing what we see. And I'm gonna show you spread real quick, and then we're gonna hide up. Over there we got two black ducks. Got the motion ducks over here with a pair of mallards. And we got a couple full bodies over here. So we're gonna get hidden real quick here. Yeah, so stay tuned. Here's the layout blind here. So, not sure exactly what time it is, but had about 10 mallards dump right in here at like 20 yards. I'd say 10 or 15 minutes after shooting light. But, it's kind of wild because when I jumped up, they didn't move. So, they've definitely been here. But they landed right where I wanted them to. I heard some more mallards afterwards, but I never saw them. But I'm pretty sure we got a drake and a hen. So I may walk around here in just a second, see if I can get them. But I'm not sure if I got the video on here, so I wanted to go ahead and update you guys. But gonna wait around for some more. Wind's starting to pick up a little bit. Conditions today are a little misty. It's about 35 degrees. So I think I'm gonna try to go pick these ducks up real quick. We'll be right back. Alrighty guys, just went and picked them up. Here's the beautiful hen mallard. And there's just this monster drake mallard. The biggest one I've killed this year, the prettiest one. I have one I'm gonna mount, so if it don't mount good, I'll probably mount him. He's a very large, pretty duck. So I'm gonna lay him right down here. Here's a little better shot of the decoys we got. I don't know if you can see the full bodies over there. No. All Higdon mallards. Then you can See our black ducks over here. If you go back to my last video, guys, you can see those black ducks we flocked. And y'all, I want to start videoing some more hunts like this, some action-packed hunts where we actually kill some mallards and stuff. I've killed quite a few ducks this year, but I need to get me some action cameras because all I got is my big camera, which is good for stuff like this, but it ain't real good for trying to video while you're shooting. So I'm gonna look into getting a shot cam and a GoPro. This is like a knockoff GoPro, and like I said, I don't know if it got me shooting earlier. I really hope it did, but I looked at it after and I don't think it was on, and I pressed all the buttons, so that's what I hate about it. And this thing, I don't have any extra batteries for it, it's just cheap. So once I get me a GoPro, I'll be able to video a lot more hunts, and y'all be able to see what I'm doing. But we're gonna sit out here a little while longer. It's only $7:53, so hopefully we can see a couple more ducks. But we'll see what happens. So y'all stay tuned.